celebrating 1,500 plus WordPress websites and over 5 years at Fiverr. Welcome to my gig. Your satisfaction is my first priority. My WordPress website design and development packages include 100% responsive WordPress design, easily maintainable sliders with HD images, professional website layout, live chat, call to actions, social media, rotating testimonies and contact forms, MailChimp newsletter integration, Google Maps and analytics if needed, spam-free code, e-commerce. 5+ years and 1,500+ happy customers.